about 11:45 here in Ohio. Storm's getting ready to roll through. It's about 45 minutes behind when the forecast said it was going to roll through. So let me go ahead and record some of this. It's pretty cool. I'm on a safe covered porch. When it starts getting crazy, I'm gonna have to go in, but I thought I'd record some of this because I love storms as long as I'm not drenched in them. Oh yeah. Sorry, I was checking something. Had to see if I made day one of my watch goals for July. I did. Visiting a really good friend. We're gonna do more visiting tomorrow as weather permits. I'm watching because I have a feeling this one's just gonna pass on through. They say it's gonna be all night. I only saw one sell on the radar, so I figured let's see how much I can actually record as it gets louder and closer. As I work on my picture. Oh shit. Sorry. I'll just make it. It's never appropriate for kids anyway. That'd be 4th of July. My new Yeti. It was in the picture. I didn't hardly drink much of it at the restaurant. Took my friends out to dinner. Dropped about a little over $100 on it. And I only got this picture marked is because and it's getting closer, you can hear it. Because the lightning and the thunder are getting closer as far as in their occurrence. Yeah, it's getting like it's over us. Or just very freaking close. I know my car is going to get a good shower. I just pray someone doesn't hit it as they're driving crazy down this road. It's 25. You hit my car, I sue you. Otherwise, I don't want to think about it. We'll just put out good vibes out there that they're going to stay home. Trying to see till it decides to start really coming down, get loud. We're going to try to record it. It's like these lightning bolts, they're like right above, almost right above me as I aim I only have a little bit of this picture left. But yeah, I'll just say I'm just at an undisclosed location in Ohio, visiting a very good friend I've known for quite a few years. And I love storms. I love to watch them. As long as I'm not getting deluged by them. Now this camera is probably not picking up on the intensity of some of the flashes of light. It looked a little bit more intense, but that's okay. This is your typical Midwest storm. Most of the time they happen during rush hour or right before or right after. Or, because it's summertime, when the sky starts to cool down, which is usually about now, because it was very warm. Put this on. But my friends are very happy with dinner. They're chilling. No, I'm not going to put them on camera because that's not cool. Okay? Especially with what certain thing that happened last year. My friend was very apprehensive. So I'm just going to say from an undisclosed location in Ohio. Because there's no identifiable factors involved except I'm parked on the street and pray that nothing happens to my vehicle. Putting, good energy around it. The only time they go around hitting my vehicle is when I'm going to work, and then they just freaking slam into the passenger side rear, and then hoping they can run off. They didn't, because their car was considered inoperable. So what they didn't want to happen did. I love watching storms, though. That was pretty bright. I don't think the camera didn't do it justice. I'm trying to aim here, but it's because of the flashes. It's still a little ways out, because you see a flash, but you don't see the freaking actual bolts. Starting to, actually my phone's picking up a little bit. I'm gonna pause this and wait till it gets closer. I've already done 7 minutes here. All right, just a minute. Ciao, my friend.